Welcome back to the garden. This week we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for successful gardening, fertilization and feeding. Just like us, plants need a balanced diet to thrive. Providing them with the right nutrients is key to unlocking their full potential. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding how to fertilize effectively can make all the difference. Imagine your garden as a bustling city. Each plant is like a building, and just like buildings need strong foundations and regular maintenance, plants require essential nutrients to grow strong and healthy. These nutrients are the building blocks of life, supporting everything from root development to fruit production. Without them, plants become weak, susceptible to diseases, and produce less yield. That's where fertilization comes in. Fertilizing is like providing your plants with a nutritious meal, giving them the energy and resources they need to flourish. By replenishing the soil with essential nutrients, we create an environment where plants can thrive. And when our plants thrive, our gardens thrive too. So let's explore the world of organic fertilizers and learn how to feed our gardens for optimal health and productivity. Get ready to discover the secrets to unlocking your garden's full potential. It's time to nourish your plants and watch them flourish. Why is fertilization so important? It's all about providing plants with the essential nutrients they need to carry out vital life processes. Just like we need vitamins and minerals, plants require a balanced diet of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, along with other micronutrients. Nitrogen is like protein for plants. It's essential for leafy growth and overall plant vigor. Phosphorus supports root development, flowering and fruit production. Potassium plays a crucial role in photosynthesis, disease resistance, and overall plant health. When these nutrients are lacking in the soil, plants can't grow to their full potential. They may exhibit stunted growth, yellowing leaves, poor flowering, or reduced fruit production. Fertilizing provides these essential nutrients, ensuring our plants have the resources they need to thrive. Think of it this way: imagine trying to build a house without enough bricks, wood, or nails. It simply wouldn't be possible to create a strong and sturdy structure. Similarly, plants need a complete set of nutrients to build strong roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. By understanding the science behind plant nutrition, we can make informed decisions about how and when to fertilize our gardens, ensuring our plants have everything they need to flourish. Now that we understand the importance of fertilization, let's explore the world of organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers like compost and compost tea are derived from natural sources and provide a slow, steady release of nutrients, improving soil health over time. Compost, often called black gold, is created by decomposing organic matter like kitchen scraps and yard waste. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and beneficial microorganisms, improving soil structure, water retention, and overall fertility. Creating compost is like brewing magic in your backyard, transforming waste into a valuable resource for your garden. To make compost, simply layer brown materials like dried leaves and twigs with green materials like grass clippings and vegetable scraps. Keep the pile moist and turn it regularly to provide oxygen for decomposition. Within a few months, you'll have nutrient-rich compost ready to nourish your garden. Compost tea is another fantastic way to deliver beneficial microbes and nutrients directly to your plant's roots. To brew compost tea, steep finished compost in water for 24-48 hours, aerating it with an aquarium pump. This process extracts beneficial bacteria and fungi, creating a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. Applying compost or compost tea is easy. Simply sprinkle compost around the base of your plants or use it as a top dressing for your garden beds. For compost tea, use a watering can or sprayer to apply it to the soil around your plants. Your plants will thank you for this nourishing treat. Section 4. Side dressing, how to feed your hungriest plants. Some plants, like tomatoes, peppers, and other heavy feeders, require additional fertilization throughout the growing season. This is where side dressing comes in. Side dressing is a technique of applying fertilizer to the sides of plants, providing a targeted boost of nutrients. Think of side dressing as giving your hungriest plants a midday snack. As these plants grow and produce fruits, they deplete the soil of nutrients more quickly. Side dressing replenishes those nutrients, ensuring continued growth and abundant harvests. To side dress your plants, simply dig a shallow trench around the drip line of the plant, about 4 to 6 inches away from the stem. Sprinkle a balanced organic fertilizer like compost or a granular fertilizer blend into the trench, then cover it with soil. The timing of side dressing depends on the plant and its growth stage. For tomatoes, for example, it's beneficial to side dress them every 2 to 3 weeks after they start to set fruit. This ensures a continuous supply of nutrients during their peak production period. By providing this extra boost, you'll be rewarded with healthy plants and bountiful harvests. Section 5. Maintaining a healthy garden. More than just fertilizing. While fertilization is essential for plant health, it's just one piece of the gardening puzzle. To create a truly thriving garden, it's important to consider other factors like watering, weeding, and pest control. Proper watering is crucial for plant growth. Water deeply and infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. This encourages deep root growth and helps prevent diseases. Weeding is also important as weeds compete with your plants for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Regularly remove weeds to give your plants the best chance to thrive. Mulching around your plants can help suppress weeds and retain moisture in the soil. Finally, be vigilant about pests and diseases. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of trouble like discolored leaves, holes in foliage, or wilting. Early detection is key to preventing widespread problems. Use organic pest control methods whenever possible to protect beneficial insects and the environment. By addressing these aspects of garden maintenance, you create an environment where your plants can truly flourish. Remember, gardening is all about creating a balance in the ecosystem, and a healthy garden is a happy garden. Section 6, Grow with Us. Congratulations. You've now graduated from our crash course on fertilization and feeding. You're well on your way to creating a thriving garden filled with healthy, productive plants. Remember, fertilization is an ongoing process, so continue to nourish your garden throughout the growing season. But don't stop there. Gardening is a journey of continuous learning and discovery. We encourage you to experiment with different organic fertilizers, compost recipes, and feeding techniques to find what works best for your garden. We'd love to hear about your gardening adventures. Share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration, tips, and tricks. Happy gardening!